Kaylee, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial and show you how to do the foundation double crochet. So this is a stitch that I would highly recommend you learning, whether you're a beginner or more intermediate or even advanced crocheter. If you don't know how to already do this stitch, it is a really easy stitch that helps eliminate the process of having to make a very long chain at the beginning of your project and then work double crochet stitches back into that chain. So it is like working your first row of chain stitches and double crochet in the very same exact step. So that makes it super easy and helps you get projects started a lot quicker. And it also makes for a stretchier piece than regular chain stitches and double crochet. And I also have a tutorial for the foundation single crochet and the foundation half double crochet. If y'all like to check those out, be sure to do. And before we go any farther, be sure to click subscribe to my YouTube channel and to like this video if you're enjoying it so far. And we will jump right into it and get started. So to get started, I have just made a slip knot and attached it on my hook. Any yarn with the corresponding hook will work to do this. So to get started, we will simply chain 3, and then we are going to yarn over and insert our hook in the very first chain stitch that we made. Once we insert our hook, we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and we'll have 3 loops on our hook. So to make a foundation double crochet, we will yarn over, pull through only 1 loop. That gives us 3 loops on our hook, and then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the other 2 loops. And that is 1 foundation double crochet. So it's like we made our chain stitch and then worked our double crochet, if you want to think about it in those terms. So to continue on, I will yarn over as if I were going to make a regular double crochet, and then I will insert my hook in the bottom of this double crochet down here. It kind of looks like a V on the bottom. I'll insert it right there and pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2. So it's like making a chain stitch and then your double crochet. So we'll continue, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2. And that's how easy it is. I'll do it once more. Yarn over, insert into the bottom of that stitch, yarn over, pull up loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. So that is all there is to crocheting the foundation double crochet. You can go on and make it as long as you need and repeat as many times as you need to get the acquired number of stitches you need. And I also have a full blog post on my blog that I will link below in the comments that shows you how to substitute foundation double crochet into any pattern if you want to start out that way rather than doing chain stitches and then double crochet. So if you need to know how to substitute that into a pattern, then just check out the blog post that I'll have linked below. And I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If y'all did, be sure and click subscribe, and happy crocheting.